Is your car in need of a deep clean? Introducing the BASEUS, a 3-car vacuum cleaner. Experience the power of 15,000 PA suction, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny of your vehicle with ease. With its cordless and portable design, the BASEUS, a 3-car vacuum cleaner, offers unparalleled convenience. Its double filtration system ensures thorough cleaning, while the built-in LED light illuminates hard-to-reach areas. Cleaning your car has never been easier. Simply twist the suction nozzle to access the dust bin and filter. After use, wash the filter and dry it naturally for optimal performance. But remember, for best results, clean the filter after each use to maintain strong suction. And if the vacuum suddenly stops working, don't worry, it may just be in overheat protection mode. Transform your car cleaning experience with the BASEUS, a 3-car vacuum cleaner. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Check the link in the description to buy yours today. Happy cleaning.